Finding the reciprocal of 3 over 5 raised to the power 3. Share this video with your friends so that they can find use out of this lecture too. If you support my channel, then subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get regular updates on such other solves. Click the like button below if you are supporting this lecture, and email me at anatomy.sarah@gmail.com or comment me below any of your confusions related to the solves of the chapters of Mathsma 7. I have attached the links of the PDF files of the solves of the chapters of Mathsma 7 called Fractions, Probability and Exponents in the pinned comment below. Just click these links and get the PDF files of the solves of these chapters. Thanks a lot for your attention and see you in the next lecture. Take care.